Hello guys, let's start with the uses of accounting information. So as we are discussing from the last so many classes, today we are going to study with respect of management, okay, how the management is going to make it use of accounting information which is reflected in the financial statement. So as a management, try to understand here, composed of employees within the company that can implement decisions affecting the company's operations. Okay, so whatever the composed employees will be there, okay, that implement the decision affecting the company's operations. Okay, so next try to understand here, I'll connect with each others. Members of the board of directors, top management, middle level managers and supervisors are the common classes of the employees belonging to the management groups. Okay, from here on out we will collectively refer them as in a managers. Okay, the key distinction between the managers and the other employees is the manager's authority to make a judgment for the company. This information pertaining to the company operations is given to them. Okay, so in short what I want to tell you that the whatever the employees there are there in the organization, they are composed, okay, within the company that can be implemented decision affecting each and every group of employees will determine for the decision making capacity. Okay, or whatever the activities or operations are conducting in the companies, those operations will help us to take a financial decision. Okay, so there are a different kind of group of employees involved. It might be the board of directors, again in the top management, middle level management, supervisors, common classes will be there. Okay, different employees belonging to the management group. Okay, from here out we will collectively refer that as in managers. Whatever the managers are there, in short means all the group of employees are there, that all managers are going to make it use of the accounting data. Okay, accounting data they are going to make it use. Okay, so it might be the data they will help us to take a decision relating to the department, to take a judgment. Okay, and thus the information of company operations is given to them, and they, as they are part of the organization, as they are part of the I can say the company, these manager have certain responsibilities. Okay, so to take a decision, to make a changes, so whatever the activities will be there for taking those kind of decision, the financial information data is very important. So let's try to understand. So problems faced by the managers, in the sense whatever the all employees or the stakeholders are there in the organization, it means that the managers include but are not limited to the following. Okay, so let's try to understand what areas of the business are becoming the problematic. Okay, so as a manager we can study the different types of problems, I can say here. For example, if we study the finances statement or financial information, we'll get to know, okay, what areas of the business are becoming the problematic, in which area we are lacking, in which area we are incurring the losses. Okay, so for understanding the areas where we are doing the mistakes, or where in which area we can see the problematic situation, that all financial data will speaks. Okay, so even these problems can be understood with the help of financial data. Next, what segments of business under perform during the last period? Okay, what is the cause of such underperformance? Okay, by comparing or by studying, by analyzing the financial statement, we study the segments of business, okay, underperform in the last period, which segment have underperform low, or which is not perform up to the mark. It might be the group, it might be department, it might be the case of quality, quantity. Okay, we might have lacking in the advertisement. Okay, we might have lacking in the service. So whatever the groups are there or segments are there, we need to study whether they are performing well or no, whether they are perform good or they are underperforming in the last period. What is the cause? Again, if we find out the area where we are underperforming, then even we can study there what is the cause of such underperformance, why we have not able to do well in the particular segments. So all the causes or effects we can study easily through the accounting information which is published in the financial statement, I can say. Next, is the level of company expenses becoming the alarming? Okay, so we can try to understand whether really the expenses becoming the alarming is nothing but it's giving the alerts to the business, whether the expenses are up to the mark or expenses are increasing, whether really whatever we are doing the expenditure, it might be the revenue, it might be the capital expenditure, whether really they are contributing for the revenue or no. That alarm, or I can say that clue or that hint, we can study with the help of financial statement or financial data. Understood, guys? Then what does the company handle its debt? Okay, or I can say how does the company handle its debt? Okay, debt or loan, I can say it is the company's incurring too much borrowing that will be difficult to pay in the long run, I can say. Okay, how does the companies handle its debt? Okay, so after studying the financial statement, we'll get to know what we are going to get to know, how much the company has borrowed, how much the company is having liabilities. Okay, so we'll get to know how much they have outstanding. Is the company is incurring too much borrowing that will be difficult to pay the long run, and we can easily study whatever the earning is made by the company, it's going to be a very difficult in long run. We can analyze, we can study by understanding their borrowing as per the time period, I can say. Okay, so this is also very helpful to understand the different kind of debt which is available for in terms of long run. Okay, so next, does the company use its resources in the best way possible? Okay, even we can understand the information of financial statement which is utilized by the management, whether really the company's resources are utilized up to the marks, or optimum utilization of resources happening or no. Through all this data, I can say. Okay, so all the data which is given through the financial statement for the management, that is going to helpful. Okay, we can easily get to know whatever the resources are available, that resources have utilized properly or no. So in short, the management will get to know various information. For example, they can understand the different problems, in which area we are incurring the losses. Then when we can understand the in which segments we are not performing up to the marks. Okay, what is the reason of or what is the cause of underperformance. Then a level of company's expenses, whether the expenses are up to the mark, or expenses are not able to generate the revenue. Okay, then how does the company handle its debt? Okay, even we can study here what is the level of debt. Okay, whether the company's debt is up to the mark, whether the company is borrowing too much and it's really helpful in the long term to repay the amount. Okay, then the company is really utilizing its resources optimally or no. Okay, what is the kind of I can say the changes they has to made while implementing the resources or utilizing the possibilities, I can say. So overall information to take a decision, the management will make it use of financial information. Okay, so hope you guys understand how the accounting information is very important in each and every I can say stakeholders, from, as I told you, from creditors, customers, government, suppliers. Now we got to know about a management, how the management is going to make it use of accounting information to solve the different kinds of problem, even not only the solving, even the identifying the problems, solving the problems with the feasibility of solution. Okay, so these all information we can study with the financial data. Okay guys, hope you guys are clear with this. Thank you.